Alright, this video will show you how to adjust the FX regulator and what not to do, because there was a couple issue when the owner assembled this and it didn't work. It didn't work. Well, he didn't adjust it right, so it didn't work. So I'll show you what he did and how to properly set it. Alright, the O-rings are been replaced already, and the piston, the seat O-ring also been replaced. The seat brass here you tighten down. I'll show you here. There, you tighten it down all the way till it stops, and you back off about a quarter turn. Right. Well, you could leave it all the way bottomed out, but I like to just back out a little bit. I don't want to over compress the O-ring. They get hard over time. All right. Alright, this brass piece here is the retainer for the piston here. So it has limited travel. See? So you don't want to over tighten this, and the piston will have no movement, and if you tighten it too much you will jam the seat to the other metal seat and you'll have it shut, and you can't you'll have zero on the regulator side. You're wondering how come there's no pressure, because you tighten this up too much and you cut out the supply. So you want a little travel here, because the spring is going to force the valve open out this way. Alright, and also to put this spring washers together, it's like facing each other, like a cup facing up and cup facing down. It comes in pairs like this, and you just stack them. What he had was all the cups were facing inward. Alright, it comes in 4 sets or 6 sets. Yeah. And your nylock nut. Alright, comes in like that. So if this nut is tightened down, this spring tension, it will push this rotor open. Alright, what shuts it is the pressure building up on the regulator side and pushes it shut. Alright, so you want movement there. So the best on this piece here, if you didn't measure, get a reference point to put this piece back, it's best to set it at the 1.5 to 1.75 mil of travel. You want the piston to travel open. Alright, if you don't have that much travel, you will limit how much volume of air coming in, so your refresh rate to be less if you don't have that much travel. So you want as much travel as possible, right, to get the refresh rate. But if you adjust it too far, have too much travel on it, you know, the regulator, this has limited travel. It will not seat if you have this out back too far out, you know. Alright, hope you understand it, but I don't want to keep making this video here. Alright, when you got your adjustment here, alright, now what we're going to do is compress the spring. You hand tight first. Alright, when this position, I could turn it, you're turning the piston. You need an Allen in the middle, prevent the Allen from turning. Alright, you hand tighten it down. Alright, holding the Allen stationary, you hand tight it. When it's hand tight, you cannot turn it anymore. All you need is a half a turn, well, less than that, only a quarter turn, and that's it. Alright, then you test it. If your velocity is not high enough, you put your Allen in here, and turn it and tighten it down only a quarter at a time. Alright, later on I'll show you what a quarter turn compression and how much regular pressure is going to put out. And that's it. Then you put your 2 O-rings in there and you put it back in the system and we'll test it out. Alright, we'll catch you next video.